How to make everyone can reply on your story on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can reply on your story on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile, and here we'll find this three lines in top corner, and then click setting, and now click privacy, and here we'll find the story. Now just scroll down, and as you see here you will find it. Allow message replies. Now just select everyone and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.